Hi everyone, it's Ann. I'm back for another day 2 of my gratitude playing cards. And I forgot to mention when I did the card yesterday was that to prep the card, I just use a sanding block. You can get it at any local hardware store, or you can get it, I've seen them at the dollar store as well, and I think this is a dollar store one. And I just lightly sanded it down so that it gives it enough tooth for the sorry, again I said words aren't coming to me. Yeah, okay, so words aren't coming to me, but to give enough tooth for the paper to adhere to the card. All right, so I'm going to get started, and I'm going to fast forward through this. In fact, what I'm going to do is for the paper part, adhering part, I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll be back so that I don't bore you to tears. All right, so I went ahead and did my card, and you see the little birdie. This was some tissue paper, and I took some music sheets, music notes or whatever, and tore them up and just put them in bits and pieces there. And so now I'm just going to add the finishing touches and what I'm grateful for. So I'm using some Deco Art Dazzling Metallic in gold, and I'm going to use it to go around the card. I'm going to add a little gold over the top of this too, because I kind of like that. It's kind of a cool color here. It's a very cool color. So I have in my backyard, I have some rocks as decorative pieces, and one of them, I guess the bottom has a little hollow end to it, and so there's a burrowing owl that has gone ahead and burrowed itself under the rock. We were trying to figure out why our dogs were going to a certain corner in our yard, and they were trying to dig under that specific rock, and then all of a sudden we heard this squawking, and we looked, and all of a sudden this little bird came out flying out of the bottom of the rock, and it turns out it's a burrowing owl. And I looked around and I found some of these pretty bird feathers from it. So I'm gonna figure out a way of gluing this down here on my card, and then I'll figure out what am I trying to say? The quote, or what I'm grateful for. All right, so I hope that you enjoy the rest of my project here and my process, and that you'll come back and visit me. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. All right, so it's adhered well, okay, and now I've got this bird charm, and I really like it a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and puncture a hole through the card to adhere this. And then I'm going to get a brad, and I have these really cool brads. Let me show you. These flower brads. They're really cool. So I'm going to take the pink one. And first things first, this has got to go through the bird cage charm. And then I'm just gonna attach it here. Just like that. Whoops, see? right there. And I think I'm going to take, instead of going around the card with the gold, I think I'm going to use a little bit of pink instead. I think it'll look a little bit better with the pink bird. Ruin the bird feather, but oh well, okay. There we go. And then I think I'm going to write this time instead of printing out anything. Let's see if this one will work. Let's see. It still works. Yes, it does. Okay. So I am grateful for bird songs. All right. I have three little bird, I have a couple of bird houses in my backyard as well as a bird feeder. And in the mornings, the birds come and feed. And there's a couple of little finches that come, and they're really cute. And I love to watch them sit down at my dining room table and look out into my backyard at all the lovely birds, and I really appreciate their bird songs. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful for that. So that's what this particular card is all about. Doesn't show really well, but oh well. So there it is. I'm grateful for bird songs. The songs, the birds tweeting and twittering and all of that. So that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and I hope that this will inspire you to make some grateful playing cards. And thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Toodles, bye! And please don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Bye!